Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Cheeto shrimp. Let's begin. We have here 12 pieces of shrimp. It's already defrosted, peeled and deveined. And the size of the shrimp we're using is 1620. We'll need half a cup of flour. There we go, we have a half a cup of flour. Next we'll need 2 eggs. 1, 2. We're going to beat the eggs with a fork. Looking good. Next, we'll need some Flaming Hot Cheetos. You can crush it in a clear plastic bag, or you can use a blender. We have here a NutriBullet, and we're just going to use that. Let's open it up. We're going to pour some into a cup. We're going to close it up, and we're going to put it into the NutriBullet. Looking good. We're going to take it out and put it into a bowl. This is what it looks like. We're going to make it just a little bit more. There we go. Here's a closer look at the Flaming Hot Cheetos all crushed up. We're going to season the shrimp first. We'll be using some salt. Just sprinkle it on. Some garlic powder. And some ground black pepper. Flip them over and do the same thing. Okay, we seasoned both sides of the shrimp. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. We're going to take the shrimp and dip it into the flour. Dip it into the egg wash. And dip it into the Flaming Hot Cheetos. Just like that. Have another one, do the same thing. Dip it into the egg. And dip it into the Cheetos. And now let's finish up the rest real quick. We have 12 pieces of shrimp ready to go. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the shrimp. But before we put in the shrimp, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. Looking good. We're going to take the shrimp and put it in. Okay, we have all the shrimp in. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 4 minutes so far at 380 degrees. Let's flip them over. Okay, we flipped them all over, and now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's take them out. For the dipping sauce, we'll be using Hellmann's creamy chili honey sauce, or you can use any dipping sauce you like. Looking good. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Cheeto shrimp. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.